So you just dropped your kid's college fund on a supercharger. You blew your retirement savings on a built motor. You pawned your spouse's jewelry for a suspension kit, and still you can't outrun a stock Miata. And old ladies and Mini Coopers, they're leaving you in the dust. Why? Because when it comes down to making you a faster, safer, and more analytical driver, there's one mod that beats all the others: the driver's mod. If you've been around the performance car scene a while, you've probably heard the term thrown around. But what does it actually mean? The driver's mod is what people say when a car's speed comes down to the driver's skill, or when someone needs more seat time to get better. It's often used as a joke, but there's some real truth to it. Now that we know what it means, let's dive into why it's so important. Car people, myself included, spend way too much time obsessing over mods. We plan our next upgrade, we tweak our setups, and we chase more power. And while mods do improve performance, nothing beats experience behind the wheel. If you really want to get faster, there are two fun and safe ways to build skill: track days and autocross events. Autocross, in particular, teaches low-speed car control, throttle control, and other techniques that transfer to high-performance driving, and even emergency situations on public roads. If you love driving mountain passes, autocross is a great way to build skills in a controlled environment. Want to speed up the learning curve? Try a novice school at your local autocross club, a SCCA starting line school, or an Evolution performance driving school. These full-day events are taught by experienced drivers and are well worth the money. Or you can just show up to an event and send it. To help you level up, here are 10 driver mod tips from multi-time autocross champion Andy Hollis. Number 1. Position first, then speed. For example, you'll save more time by positioning your car closer to slalom cones than by adding 1 or 2 miles per hour. Number 2. Turn earlier and less. Faster driving comes from running smaller arcs. Smaller arcs require less steering input, and to make them work, you need to turn earlier. Number 3. Brake earlier and less. Late braking is hard to do consistently. Instead, brake slightly earlier and use a lighter touch. You'll be more smooth and consistent, and always brake in a straight line. Number 4. Lift early instead of braking late. If you only need to scrub a little speed, lift off the throttle early instead of braking late. It's smoother, easier, and helps keep the car balanced. Number 5. It's easier to add speed than to get rid of it. If you're under the limit, a slight push on the gas gives you more speed. But if you're too fast, you'll just slide and burn up your tires. Number 6. Use the gas pedal to adjust position in turns. Once you've set your steering, small throttle changes can fine-tune your line. Lifting tucks the car in, and adding throttle pushes the car out. Number 7. Unwind the wheel before adding power. Your tires can only handle so much grip. If they're at their limit while turning, adding throttle will push the car wide. Straighten the wheel first, and then accelerate. Number 8. Attack the back of cones. For slaloms, aim to clip the backside of each cone with the inside rear tire. This helps you arc smoothly through the slalom without excessive steering. Number 9. Hands follow the eyes, and the car follows the hands. Make sure you're always looking ahead. Number 10. Scan ahead, but don't stare. Keep your eyes moving. Glance forward, glance back, left, right. Always stay aware of what's coming next. The bottom line, mods are great, horsepower's fun, but if you're serious about getting faster, seat time is the best investment you can make. The driver's mod will always be the most important upgrade to you and your car. If you liked this video, please hit subscribe and drop a comment if you agree or disagree. Until next time, I'll see you in the garage.